The GSX-8R represents a paradigm shift in sportbike excellence, encapsulating a harmonious fusion of cutting-edge aesthetics and unparalleled performance capabilities. At the heart of this masterpiece lies a potent 776 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, meticulously engineered to deliver a symphony of power, responsiveness, and control. This formidable powerplant is further enhanced by a plethora of advanced features encompassed within the Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, S.I.R.S, including the Suzuki Drive Mode Selector, SDMS, traction control, and a bi-directional quick shift system, empowering riders with unprecedented command over their riding experience. Visually captivating, the GSX-8R boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design that pays homage to Suzuki's storied GSX-R lineage while simultaneously pushing the boundaries of futuristic styling. Hexagonal LED headlights, complemented by an LED position light, not only illuminate the path ahead but also add a touch of modernity to the bike's aesthetic allure. The integration of a full LCD instrument panel ensures riders have access to vital real-time information, enhancing both convenience and safety. In terms of handling dynamics, the GSX-8R excels with a chassis engineered for precision and agility. A highly rigid steel frame, coupled with forged aluminum handlebars, delivers responsive and nimble maneuverability, whether navigating urban streets or carving through challenging terrain. Advanced features such as ABS provide riders with confidence-inspiring braking performance, while amenities like the windscreen contribute to enhanced comfort during extended journeys. For riders seeking to personalize their GSX-8R experience, Suzuki offers an array of genuine accessories tailored to elevate both style and functionality. From touring screens to billet brake levers, these accessories enable riders to tailor their bike to their unique preferences while enhancing comfort, utility, and protection. The GSX-8R sets a new benchmark for sportbike excellence, offering riders an unrivaled combination of performance, style, and versatility. Whether tackling daily commutes, embarking on adrenaline-fueled adventures, or pushing the limits on the track, the GSX-8R promises an exhilarating and unforgettable riding experience at every twist of the throttle.